Welcome to Swansway Blackburn Audi. Here we have a really nice example of the Audi A1 Sportback 1.4 TFSI S-Line S-Tronic 2015 registration, finished in Daytona grey metallic and having covered just less than 25,000 miles. Really nice example. Added benefit of climate control air conditioning and the Alcantara and leather seats. Very clean inside and out. Lovely, lovely car. Price to sell at 15,850. If you're interested in this car or any other demonstrators or used cars here at Blackburn Audi, please contact myself, Jez, or any of the sales guys, and we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you.